Good morning, YouTube. Okay, so we took a little break from doing windows and roof today to get a little bit of a shelf in the garage so that we can pick up some shit. We needed our sawhorses back so that we could cut the plywood that we're using for spacers in our window. I guess you could call it a buck. It's what I've been working on. Anyway, I'll show you those. So that's the top. Those are the ones that I was counter drilling so that I could make sure I hit into the plastic of the Fox block. And then we need a total of 4 inches. So 1.5 inches, half an inch. That gets us 2.5 inches. And then another 1.5 inches, that gets us our 4 inches. That's the space that our blinds will hide in, right? So our blinds are gonna go right here, like this, and then the trim will come down right like this. Well, we'll have a gap so that we can get up into where the blinds are. But that'll put the blinds up in this little spot right here, so they'll be hidden. So, and then on the sides, we're doing the same thing, except only a 2x4 width. So that'll be right there. And the reason for that is so that I can plow out, reinforce the trim and then plow out a dado so that the blinds will actually slide down inside a channel. And that was the idea of it. That way we have true total blackout blinds that are,
because it's not private enough
hidden
out here in the country.
It's not a matter of privacy, it's a matter of light pollution. I'm not a morning person, so it'll be nice to be able to blacken it out. Except the ones in our bedroom will probably never be closed. I'll have home automation for that, home assistant. That'll put them down at like 2 a.m. so I can see while I'm going to sleep. And then they'll just be closed when I wake up at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
I'll save it for Carrie. You're ridiculous.
Yeah, this is the sawhorses that we needed. So all of the shit that was on them is now up there. And now Amy and Carrie have something to do. They can organize all that stuff on our new shelves. We're taking the sawhorses over so that we can cut those pieces of plywood. So that is what's happening this morning. We will check back in with you here in a little bit. Yeah, I'd say here-ish. Check back in with you later. It's a nice cloudy fall day. It's supposed to rain later, but for right now, it's just nice and cool. We should do a fire tonight. That would be fun. What do you think, Dan? Freedom fire tonight?
I'm not for it, even if it's raining.
Oh yeah, it is supposed to rain later this afternoon, so hopefully that'll hold off and we can have a little fire. All right, bye. Now we're recording.
Yeah, now.
Well, you missed the starting of the fire, but we got fire. We're making fire burgers. We're going to get a attempt. Yeah, whatever the girls bring. We're going to get a chimney to attempt a proof of concept of smoke mitigation device. That's what we're calling it. Up.
Also known as another delay.
Another delay. Anything in the trash bin? Not heavy enough. Ooh, these might work. Yeah.
Does it work?
I mean, just for a test. Need a clamp. Need another clamp. Need a final clamp.
I brought 4.
Dude. dude. How's that gonna stay?
Won't fall out on the thing.
We hope.
Oh goodness.
Whiskers!
Load up.
There you go, Rose. Back in.
I'm hoping we can clamp it tight enough. And this way, but because the inside is.
I'll take this in.
Watch out, Whisk.
Okay. Can you walk it to me?
Oh, that leg, your far one by Dan, is not straight.
Smoke it a little bit. Yeah, we got a little smoke in there.
Do we?
Yeah, look.
Oh,
Comes a little puffs. There's one.
I see it. I doubt you can see it on camera. That bird was a paid actor.
It had a line. Now it can get its card, whatever. Yeah.
How does it go up instead of out the side?
Well, as this gets hot, it will take air
Start to draw.
to draw and pull it in from the outside edges. And that's the idea. Which this thing has to get a lot hotter.
Okay, I was gonna say you just drive down. Something was delivered. The rug for the living room. He's the guy that does he's on the track route. Like there's a lot of pickups here planned.
Okay. That's it.
Watch out, Whiskey.
So that's inside. Ooh, I don't want that on the outside. Well, if that's the bottom. There we go. Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Where's the window? Yep. As long as this thing doesn't give way.
Okay.
It's about the time the battery on the screw gun would go.
Okay, the top two are in.
Okay.
Want me to put one on the bottom?
Yeah.
On each side?
Yeah.
Okay. You like it?
I like it. Don't get me. Get the window.
Tell the
I
camera.
did, thank you.
I like it. I like it a lot.